Japanese greetings used in daily life. Number 1. Ohayo gozaimasu. In English, good morning. Number 2. Konnichiwa. In English means hello. Number 3. Konbanwa. In English means good evening. Number 4. Arigato gozaimasu. In English means thank you. Number 5. Oshidedo means it is delicious. Number 6. Sugoi in English amazing. Gozaiman in English excuse me. Number 9. Wadoko desu ka in English means where is. Number 10. Moshi moshi in English means hello. Number 11. Osu in English means hey. Number 12. Tadaima means I'm back. Number 13. Okaire in English means welcome home. Number 14. Ojenke desu ka in English means how are you. Number 15. Sekendo in English means what's new. Number 16. Doyo in English means how it's going. Number 17. Erameshimase in English means welcome. Number 18. Kyo wa dona kanji in English means how's your day. Number 19. It's Hesashiburi in English means it's been a while. Number 20. Hi in English means yes.